Hello everyone, in this video we will see about how GenAI power users can contribute towards an organization. Firstly, efficiency and productivity. AI power users can automate their tasks, streamline workflows, thereby reducing the time. For example, there are 5 data scientists in an organization who are not AI power users, and then there is one data scientist who is AI power user. This one data scientist who is an AI power user can do the job of those 5 data scientists who are not AI power users. This can help the organization to reduce the cost and optimize their process. So overall, GenAI power users are a very important asset to an organization. For example, there is a software company. They don't need to hire 10 developers. They can only hire 3-4 developers who are GenAI power users and they can do the job. So this can help the organization to cut down the cost. For example, there is a school and a teacher is a GenAI power user. That teacher can use GenAI tools, LLMs, to generate quizzes, tests, grade assignments, generate lesson plans, generate questions and answers, and also learn about the topic, research about the topic. Now, if teacher uses AI tools and techniques, this can help the teacher to save the time and focus more on creative things and more better things. So this is just an example of how GenAI power users contribute towards an organization. Today, GenAI power users are playing a very important role in organizations.
Subscribe for more content.